Hello guys, welcome back to Techie Isha. Today we are gonna discuss about Git commands which we are using in our daily life and that Git commands make our life easy and simpler. We have let's begin with basic. Imagine I'm starting a brand new project in a folder. The first thing I do is run git init. This initializes a Git repository so Git can start tracking my files. But what if my project already exists on GitHub? In that case, I don't start fresh. Instead, I use git clone repo URL to copy the repo into my local machine. Like here I have given git init git clone repo URL. Now, when I make some changes, I often check the status with git status. This shows me which files are modified, which are staged, and which are untracked. So for that we'll use git status. Next, I want to prepare all my changes to be saved. For that, I will run git add dot. That means add everything that has changed into staging. Finally, I save those stage changes permanently and git history with a commit. For example, git commit -m, then message is just as we can give some short description or what we have changed there. So here git commit -m and message will keep here. When we are talking about git log one line, when we are working with branches, now I can say let's talk about working with branches. To quickly check my commit history in a simple view, I use git log one line. Okay. To see all the branches available in my repo, I run git branch. This shows me if I'm on main or maybe a feature branch. If I need to switch another branch, I run git checkout branch. For example, I can say if I want to fix a bug on the bug fix branch, I had to git checkout bug fix. Now, mm, but if I want to create a brand new branch and switch to it in one go, or I can say I use git switch -c and then branch. For example, git switch -c and then branch name like feature login or whatever the branch name makes a new branch for my login feature. Whatever branch name you wanted to give, you can get. Once I finish my feature, I bring it back into the main code using git merge branch. For example, git merge feature login would merge that branch into main branch. Now, when we are talking about git pull, git really shines when we work with the team. If someone else has pushed new code, I need to bring it into my system. For that, I use git pull. This fetches one merge, the latest changes from the remote repository. After finishing my own work, I want to share it back with the team. That's when I run git push, which upload my commits to GitHub. Now, imagine I am halfway through coding a feature, but suddenly I need to switch to another urgent task. Instead of committing incomplete work, I use git stash. This temporarily saves my changes without committing. That's where I will use git stash. Whenever I will come back, I simply reapply those saved changes with git stash pop. And if things go completely wrong and I want to throw away all local changes, I reset everything back to the last commit using git reset hard hat. Likewise, I will not lose my data. Now, these are the advanced command, but not that much useful. Now let's look at a few advanced but very useful command. Before I add or commit some time, I want to double check what exactly changed. For that, I run git diff. If I realize I don't need a certain file in my repo anymore, I remove it using git rem file. To verify which remote repo my project is linked to, I run git remote minus v. This shows the URL from origin, usually GitHub. Another useful command is git fetch. Unlike pull, it just download changes but doesn't merge them automatically. This way I can review uploads, I can review updates first before deciding to merge. Finally, if I want to keep my commit history clean, I can use git rebase branch. This reapplies my changes, like my commits, on top of the latest version of another branch, making the history took neat and cleaner. So that's where I can use git rebase branch. So that's it for the day. This all are the usually we are using the commands and which makes our life easy and simpler. Thank you for watching my session.